Today's utilities face enormous challenges: immense data growth and complexity, new safety and compliance demands, and a never-ending workload to maintain infrastructure. Utilities need a single, complete platform with flexibility to tackle it all, maximizing productivity and efficiency while reducing operation and management costs. Oracle Utilities Work and Asset Management has decades of experience and continues to support utilities in their pursuit of service excellence. Digital transformation and smart devices create incredible benefits for utilities, but resulting data volumes are massive, costly to manage, and challenging to glean insights from. Let Oracle's unified data platform move you from siloed systems to a single source of truth. With a comprehensive view of assets, pinpoint and solve problems like transformer overload before they happen. With better insight, utilities can work smarter to address aging infrastructure, like using sensor data to reveal increased pressure on old pipes. In this use case, built-in machine learning and AI identify the problem before it becomes a costly break, providing critical insights and informing decisions to repair or replace, minimizing costs while ensuring system reliability. Addressing infrastructure challenges also requires a smarter approach to work management. Oracle Utilities Work and Asset Management handles short-cycle work and longer-term construction projects, so you have complete work and asset lifecycle management in one solution. Now more than ever, quick leak response is paramount for safety, avoiding service disruptions, and meeting regulatory and compliance requirements. Seamless field service management is key to addressing issues faster. Use real-time pressure data to pinpoint developing issues. Use AI to predict imminent leaks and trigger automated and prioritized alerts and work orders. And ensure field technicians have all the information and collaboration tools they need to get the job done. Tackle anything the future brings with a trusted partner every step of the way.